Government should be spend the money in space program because in a development country like America, China, and Russia will spend his money to space program. So Indian economy now developing country. So in compared to the develop and डेवलपमेंट कंट्री के कंपैरिजन में हमें स्पेस प्रोग्राम
चलेगा. Come on. What is your view? What is your view about the topic? What is your topic?
Indian government money for space program or no space program.
थोड़ी चीज़